Hello everyone. In today's video, we will together explore the true meaning of the saying, water only flows downwards, or tears always rolling down. Water, with its innate ability to flow downwards and seek the lowest points, is a timeless metaphor for life and its many facets. In nature, water always finds its way down, following the path of least resistance, flowing gracefully around obstacles and gathering in valleys, lakes, and rivers. This simple truth reveals deeper insights into how we navigate our lives, how we adapt, surrender, and eventually find balance in our journeys. The behavior of water offers rich metaphors for resilience, humility, and how we can transform challenges into opportunities. By understanding water's nature, we gain insight into how to live in harmony with the ups and downs of life. Flowing with ease, acceptance of life's natural course. One of the most profound lessons of water's tendency to flow downward is the art of acceptance. Just as water doesn't resist gravity, but rather uses it to find its way, we too can benefit from accepting life's natural flow. Sometimes we need to push against circumstances to resist change or hardship, yet much like water, which effortlessly adapts to the shape of the land, we can learn to adapt to the shape of our circumstances. Water shows us that surrendering to the natural flow doesn't mean giving up. On contrary, it allows us to conserve energy and gain wisdom. Instead of fighting against forces beyond our control, we can learn to navigate around them, much like water curves around rocks and streams. In life, this might mean accepting that certain things are beyond our control, whether it's the actions of others, the economy, or unexpected events. By flowing with life rather than resisting, we can find peace in the journey. Feeling the lowest points, humility and empathy. Water's tendency to gather in low places provides a beautiful metaphor for the virtues of humility and empathy. It doesn't cling to the high peaks, but rather it feels the valleys and depressions of the earth. Similarly, in life, true wisdom often comes when we lower ourselves, not in terms of self-worth, but in terms of pride and ego. Humility allows us to be open to new perspectives, listen and learn from others. In relationships, much like water fueling low points, empathy involves meeting others where they are, understanding their struggles, their pains, and their joys. Water doesn't judge the lower ground, it simply feels it. Likewise, when we approach life with empathy, we don't judge others for their shortcomings, but instead offer understanding and support. This openness and compassion create deeper connections and more fulfilling life. Humility also teaches us that we are not the center of the universe. Just as water is not confined to one place, water flows freely, contributing to a well-being of the whole ecosystem. When we embrace humility, we recognize that we are part of something much larger, a collective human experience. This recognition allows us to engage more fully in life, contributing to others' well-being while enriching our own. Navigating obstacles, flexibility, and resilience. Water's journey is not always smooth. Along its path, it encounters rocks, hills, and obstacles of all kinds. Yet, instead of stopping or turning back, water finds the way around these impediments. It may trickle over rocks, seep through crevices, and cave new paths over time. This behavior is powerful metaphor for resilience in life. We all face obstacles, whether they are personal challenges, career setbacks, or unforeseen difficulties. Water teaches us that we don't need to confront these challenges head-on in a rigid, forceful way. Sometimes the best approach is to remain flexible and find an alternative path. Just as water can change its course when needed, we too can pivot, adapt, and explore new opportunities. This flexibility ensures that we don't get stuck in frustration or despair when things don't go as planned. Moreover, water's persistence shows us the power of small, steady efforts. A river may not wear down a rock in a day, but over time, the gentle, consistent flow will eventually smooth even the hardest surface. In life, we can achieve great things not through brute force, but through patient perseverance. By consistently showing up and applying effort, we can overcome even the most daunting obstacles. Become still, reflection, and inner peace. Once water reaches its lowest point, it often becomes still as a lake or a pond. In this stillness, water becomes clear, reflecting everything around it, the sky, the trees, and the mountains. This metaphor reminds us of the importance of stillness and reflection in our lives. Just as water reflects its surroundings in moments of calm, we too need moments of inner stillness to reflect on our thoughts, actions, and experiences. In the hustle and bustle of life, we can easily become lost in the rush, always moving, always reacting, but like water, which becomes clearest when it's calm. We gain the most clarity when we allow ourselves time for reflection. In these moments of peace, we can see things more clearly, gain deeper insight, and make wiser decisions. Finding inner peace doesn't mean avoiding the flow of life. It means finding balance within it. Water continues to flow even after reaching its destination, but in its still moments, it gathers strength and clarity. Similarly, we can continue to grow and evolve while still taking time for ourselves, finding moments of peace amid life's constant movement. The journey of the wholeness, integration, and purpose. In the end of its journey, water often finds itself merging with the ocean, become part of something vast and boundless. This final destination of water's journey is the metaphor for our own search for meaning and wholeness in life. Much like water, which starts as a raindrop and eventually joins the sea, we too begin as individuals but seek connection with something larger, whether it's a community, a purpose, or a sense of belonging. Water's journey reminds us that each twist, turn, and obstacle we encounter is part of the larger, meaningful process. Every challenge we face, every low point we feel contributes to our growth and understanding. Ultimately, we are all moving towards a deeper sense of integration where our experiences, struggles, and victories come together to create a whole that is greater than the sum of its parts. In conclusion, water's natural tendency to flow downward and gather in low places offers profound metaphors for life. It teaches us the value of acceptance, humility, empathy, flexibility, resilience, and reflection. Like water, we can learn to flow with life's challenges, adapt to obstacles, and find meaning in every part of our journey. Ultimately, water reminds us that lowest points in life are not where we are diminished, but where we gather strength, wisdom, and purpose. Thank you so much for listening, and please click the subscribe button to help me to make more video for this channel. Thank you.